Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have LA. Now he's talking about, a lot of stuff that is pertaining to Jamaica and what has been going on. LA Lewis is pointing out that we are so far from our history. Our kids are growing up not knowing their real history, and also he addresses, the stuff that they're spraying in the air, like in the sky. He said it's very dangerous for us, and that people are not seeing that, and that we're lacking knowledge when it comes to those stuff. He said that we have all kind of books that we can read to figure out what's going on, but we lack knowledge in those areas. He's asking us to go ahead and read those books and read up on the things that are happening around us as we're blinded by them. So go ahead and check out the video, and please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to click on that notification bell so that when I post, you know about it. And also check out the merch. Yes, the merch. It will be there in the description box.
Fear, you understand? If them corrupted more than anything else, and the Christians, them, the head Christians, them, corrupted more than anything else, and just through them want money, them hold on the old time ideology, them, and don't want to teach the youths them the future, don't want to teach the youths them culture. Remember, alright, I'm a big man now. I admit, I've grown up in European colonizers ideology when it come on to religion, when it come on to eating food, when it come on to wearing clothes. Yes, I know that. So now I'm a big man. What am I going to do? I'm going to still continue it. I might continue part of it, but I don't need to continue the whole life because nobody now feed me. Me make my own money now. I'm big, I can make choices for myself. That's why the United Nations in 1996 tell the Queen of England say for give back the people in them countries, you understand, them land, and tell the natives so for re-educate back them people. But because now people like Bill Gates them come buy out the thing now, and they give the politician them new money, the politician them decide so them nah let go the PS people, them nah give back the youth them future. Now what you go on now, people? Some people say, yo, why the politician them no hang the little boy over there? What kill the 4 baby and one mother, young mother? You know why? Because them themselves will get egg. Them themselves will get egg. Because them want to sin what them create against the people. They want to sin what the politician them, not all of them the people. But some of them create against the people, most of the leaders them. Alright, what you go on now, people? Now, and let me tell you why I know say all of the people, on a fool or on a brainwash more than anything else and on the idiot. Alright, what you go on now? The government Andrew Wellness them now, even part of the PMP government them response, they can't give it on Andrew Wellness. So the PMP government them side wanna either to take out themselves, because me tell you, the both of them have got both sides of got prison and sooner than on think. You understand? And them are commit suicide, not only against themselves but against them personal family and against you the people. What I'm gonna show you now, my people. Now, when the both side of government no said, once Bill Gates them get the authority, or the depopulation people them get the authority for spray the sky. Remember, you know, what them are gonna say? A different breath them take in. I know they might say, alright, take them pillar, all government members, take them pillar. But them now get all of the government members, because they know so certain government members now go stand up and see them family get dead. So what them do now? Them give certain special government members in a secret. That means them left the other government members dead. Tell me talk something wrong on the people. Because remember, you know, Bill Gates might say, alright, you take these pills, so when the sky spray, it won't affect you guys none at all. Which them probably right with the pill them, because you know, and them spray the thing for pollute the water, for nanoparticle in the air, for, you understand, for Check out every early morning, people. Them whole heap of plane the way see spray the thing them in the sky. And then they see the thing them look like them a cloud. And then them start drop on your car glass, people. What is in those things where the plane them a spray? But enough of them say, yo, I'm mad this here talk. How are they, man? Are some good thing in the sky where they a spray? No. What is in the sky where they a spray upon we the people them? So when you come out this grand rising and upon, oh, it's a beautiful day, and you're taking them vapor there, what them spraying at the early morning, and them spraying at the evening, and it dropping at the water. When you're taking them thing there, we have all documentary for sure, so them thing there, slow poison the nation, give you cancer, give you arthritis, give you all different kind of disease. Them thing there, what them spraying at the sky, we got every information upon it, and you can just go Google it. Google chemtrail. Now, we the people them, we never tell Andrew Wallace or tell the PMP minister say, listen me, we tell we give authorize to tell Bill Gates say it is okay for them to spread the chemtrail power. Did we give them the authorization? Did you give them the authorization? So when the police them want to come out early morning time on the road, the doctors them, the soldiers them want to come out early and go train. We soldiers them, we doctors them, we police them, we come and work as a taking them thing that to show us that the government not even care for the military. The fears of the government not even care for the police, for security force. That means that the government not even care for we the people, not even care for the nurse them. Because remember, I know, them now give the soldier them some special pill and say, take this pill, and inform the soldier them said, because when you come out in the morning, those chemtrail thing that you see, the foreign plane them is spraying in the sky. And remember, this is not only in Jamaica, people. This is in Cuba, this is in Panama, this is in America, this is in Canada. So this is a worldwide video I'm talking about. So I'm not just talking about them spray the chemtrail them on the people. You wonder why all baby nowadays have cancer. You remember one time when it was hunger, all people could have cancer? You remember them time there? When all people, when I was a little kid, you never have 20-year-old could have cancer. 30-year-old is rarely no baby born with cancer because of the chemtrail. And the government them authorize the private scientists them, who is the Rothschilds them, who is the what you call them now, the big farmers them, who is Johnson & Johnson them, Bill Gates them, because they want to sell $2 trillion worth of pill. So create the trouble, and we will come with the rescue with the pill and the injection. Remember one time you could have flu. Somebody born if you have to sneeze if you catch flu, or you have to run up and down, and you're going to the rain hot with flu, and you just get a plate of soup and you come. But now people are born with flu. Them have flu season now. Are you people that are the pan? Are you people now look and say, oh, if you have flu season? And then the doctor them are going to tell us, this flu season, oh, flu get its season. Then the flu, they have season and they are natural thing. Oh, the bird and the cow and the goat them now have flu season. We alone have flu season, people. Oh, the butterfly them now have flu season. Oh, the dog them now have flu season. Because people, and we alone, them a put the things them in and again at the food. And then different from that, the dog them know how to cure themselves better than we, cause when a dog have any flu, the dog go eat some little green grass on the road. Then you see him vomit it out, or you see him shit out the green grass, and him get better. But we know, so we gone take pill, and then we gone take the pill them just heal us. The pill them don't cure us. And nobody now say wait. Or the government them not gone to prison. Or nobody not gone to parliament. Gone arrest these governmental people both in America, not even Russia, because Russia don't deal them thing there. In Germany and all over the Caribbean, the Atlantic Sea. It's so much thing them politicians do with people. And them want to laugh up with. But when the emperor heal, you know, yo, but the herbal thing them emperor, yo, but the high priest thing them a whoop ya. The pastor them nah lick out against the politician, them, you know, the pastor don't go for money. No, look here again. Watch again now. Michael Jackson doctor prescribe him to some pill. And is that the doctor give Michael Jackson the pill, you know?